Tochor is a Canadian politician who was elected to the Legislative Assembly of Saskatchewan in the 2011 election. He represents the constituency of Saskatoon Eastview as a member of the Saskatchewan Party caucus. Tochor was re-elected in the 2016 general election, held on April 4, 2016. On May 17, 2016, he was elected the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly of Saskatchewan, defeating the previous Speaker, Dan Dautermont. After being elected Speaker, Tochor joked that his two young sons will think he is now a pirate when he wears the Speaker's tricorne hat. On January 5, 2018, Tochor resigned as Speaker, announcing that he is considering entering federal politics. On March 10, 2018, he defeated incumbent MP Brad Trost for the Conservative nomination in Saskatoon University. Election results. References